Hello students, good morning all of you. Take out your English grammar book and notebook. Now open chapter 8. Things we do every day. Verbs. Children, as you all know that in previous classes I already discussed this topic, that what is verb. Words that show actions are called action words or verbs. Let's recall it. See example, everyday action. Birds fly. Birds fly. So, action word is fly. The sun shines. Babies drink milk. So, here what is the action? Drink. Next one is plants grow. A cow eats grass. A fish live in water. So, doing words are called verbs or action word. Now, come to the page number 41. See question number A. Fill in the blanks with suitable action words. You have to choose right option from the given box. First one is a clock dash the time. Tells. A clock tells the time. TELLS. Tells. Next, children like to dash ice cream. Children like to eat ice cream. So write eat. EAT. Next, boys and girls dash uniform to school. So answer is wear. WEAR. Next, the school bell dash at 9 o'clock rings. 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 The sun dash in the morning. So the answer is the sun rises in the morning. RISES. Rises. Next one is mother dash food for the family. Mother cooks food for the family. What is the spelling of cooks? COOKS. Cooks. Now, see question number B. Look at the picture below and complete the sentences. First, see the picture carefully and then fill these sentences. So, here, mother dash to the market every Sunday. Mother goes to the market every Sunday. She dash big bag with her. She takes big bag with her. They dash many things in the market. They buys many things in the market. BUYS. He sells fruits and vegetables and returns home. So what is the spelling of returns? RETURNS. Returns. Clear? So page number 41 is your classwork. You have to do question number A and B in your classwork. And now turn the page. Page number 42. See here. Did you know words that talk about actions? Words that talk about actions which take place every day. Are said to be the verbs in the present tense. Clear? So, here question number C is underline the correct answer. You have to choose the right one and underline or tick it. Now see, use of do, does, don't or doesn't. So, we use do and don't with I, we, you and they. Okay, we use do and don't with I, we, you and they. Next one is we use does or doesn't with he, she and it. Please learn this one. Okay, it is very important. So your homework is do page number 42. Okay, and page number 43 in your English grammar book. Thank you. Have a good day.